Yo, I just put my headphones on and they were cold as Let me play this. Yo, what is good? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy KC, and today I'm here with episode 6 of my FL Studio for Beginners tutorial series. So today, what we are going to be looking at is creating a more advanced melody. So with that said, let's get right into the video. So the way that I'm gonna go about doing this is I'm going to be using the same format that I have here. So this is there is a very certain term used in civil technology. Yeah, so this is going to be my foundation, and I'm just going to build up from that. Okay, so if you want to see me make this, I will leave a link to the playlist in the description so you can see all the videos that have been made in the past on this series. So this is what I've made, what we have made. Yeah, very simple. Now the idea for today is to make this a lot more complex. So I initially said the melody, but not just the melody, but the drum kit too. So since we all know now how to install plugins and install sound packs, I'm not going to be using stock plugins and stock sounds from FL anymore. So let me replace this with Nexus. Okay, now let me go here to the little baby pack. Do what? I kinda like that. I really like that. Let me try it out with other arpeggios quickly. Ah, it's kinda similar. Nope. No, okay, so I'll keep this one rather. I love that one. Alright, yo, let me change the drum kit now. The drum kit, hardcore drum kit. No, that's not what I was looking for. I like that one. I just changed the name. It's calm. I want more bass to this kick. This kick doesn't have any bass. Alright, let's not go here. Let's go to the little baby pack. The little baby pack is always a clutch move for us. Listen to that. I love that. Let me try this one. Let me get it in key too. Eat that ass up. Eat that ass up. Okay. So what's on G sharp? So we move that over there so it's perfectly in key. Then you right click on there. So now it is perfectly in key. Perfect in key. Okay, so now let me just copy this over and then. Oh, I think I copied the. Did I copy the right? I copied the right thing. Okay, it's cutting itself. Don't cut yourself, kids. I don't like this kick anymore. I don't like this anymore either. Metro booming. Come on. Save us here, bro. Let me go to cymatics. Cymatics always has something that I'm looking for. This is sounding a bit 2-bit, or not 2-bit, 8-bit. It's like an 8-bit beat, but I like it. Oh wait, that's why it sounds so weird, because it's been cut. Copy this. But this used to come over. Alright, I think I'm gonna leave it there for today. If you guys did enjoy the video, make sure to give the video a like and subscribe with notifications on so that you do not miss my upcoming videos. With all that said, the video is done and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.